Sunman guys, how are you guys? Yeah. Ngiyafunda ichapis ngenkhulukhulu. Hayi mina angazi ukuthi like South Africa rijwang vele. Sinjani kahle kahle or singenelwe idemon vele. Singenele ngibona vele lokuthanda amadoda abantu. Ngibhalela usisi la othi ngingwala so cause I saw your other story. Lena I'm in the same boat. Story time. Clap once. Usisi othi I was just okay, mine game see different, but I'm in the same boat. Kasisi. Okay, mina I was an intern with this certain company. Bengi intern, mangi intern. I vele ngasebenza, so bengi reporter with this white guy. Sitting white guy sithi uPete. Bengi reporter kuPete. Hayi uPete mina like mangifika like bengibona ukuthi umuntu vele strict and usatheng nonsense. Uyabona? So vele bengimsaba vele bengakhulumi naye bengivele ngireporter whatever ukuthi ngiriporte vele ngiphume office la kaPete. So Pete bekathanda ukuthi mangise office lakhe ngizoreporter into vele bengisebenza for the day I project abangipheyona ukuthi ngiyenze for the day if ngiyicedile then I'll go to Pete and report ukuthi no I've done 1 2 3 4 5 follow up in solution ngoba in yabona. So how the other day vele nyaya vele angale office la kaPete vele uPete uthi kimi uthi you know what ngicela ukuthi uhlale nginomsebenzi but after hours for wena, so I'm still busy, I'm preparing for a meeting, then after hours ngicela ukuthi uze ngapha masiqeda ushayisa. So abosisi laba basebenza abo 9 to 5 yabona. So uthi amtshela ukuthi okay after sishayisa ngicela ukuthi uze lana office then ngizokupha umsebenzi ukuthi uyenze and please make it a point ukuthi uza uyi1 cause the umsebenzi ngizokunikeza wona like I wish ukuthi uyenze uyi1 and if ever ungakhona like I'll give you promotion ungasabi intern sukuthathe yabona. Okay. Usisi okay uthi hayi mina ngiqhubeke ngelanga lami kube lunch ngidle ngicede ngibe busy ngale project bengibusy ngayo ngize ngicede. Ngilinde vele isikhathi sokushayisa uthi hayi vele ngihlale abantu vele bashayisa abantu vele bahamba ngisho ukuthi mashayisa sihamba masinye emsebenzini asihlali phela uthi vele abantu bahambe kusale vele mina kule floor le ngisebenzela ngaki kusale mina ngi1. Okay uPete usebenzela ku upper level the floor phezulu uthi vele mangikhuphuka vele ngithola ukuthi uPete ngathi ufoni nomuntu efonini vele ngihlale but office la kaPete le class uyakhona ukubona like lina la ku part la ku class khona uyakhona ukubona like mangihleli ngemele uthi uyangibona uthi athi ngomuntu athi yabona amtshela ukuthi wait hayi uthi vele ngihlale uthi vele abantu bahambe isikhathi sihambe sokushaya vele sokucala sokushaya bo 6 PM. Uthi uPete vele ukhuluma efonini angakuthi maybe akhuluma ku international call or whatever but ukhuluma isikhathi I think for an hour. So lo mina ngimlindini uthi hayi vele maqeda vele avula umnyango vele angibiza athi sothi intombazana bani sithi Kate athi Kate ungeza uthi hayi vele ngifika. Sorry guys asibe kuyi phone call yabona. Uthi vele ngingena uthi mangena vele uPete vele afike athi kanuni isikhathi esingakanani ulana vele uthi ngisho ukuthi hayi sengina 6 months athi kani yoba intensity ze contract yakhe ithize yoba intern for how long yabona. Uthi sisi athi nithize 24 months and then nathi nizocheck performance if performance yami iba kahle within 12 months then ilani ngangipha khona position. Okay uPete ayimbuza ukuthi uhlala nobanda uhlala khona bona uthi vele abe personal angibuza ama question personal uthi ngitshela ukuthi no la ngihlala khona manje ngihlala ngi1 ngihlala ku 1 room ngashi 1 room elokishini so ngihlala nge1 cause like uqala vele ngisebenza so from a student to la. So I'm just ukuthi okay ningane uthi vele ambuze like ama personal question vele ukuthi ngaki ubusingaki kwabakho khona hlala nobani ubani bikani support amafundi isikolo should like afune background yakhe, check background yabona. But vele ugele vele akhuluma tha I know like in mina umama single parent yebisupporta uye usebenza retail for isikhathi eside, vele achaza mina vele ngangena isikolo ngaphasa ngahamba ngangena university nefsasi yangibhadalela, things like that. Kube conversation. But Peter, you know what, ngilambile man, asambe like siye downstairs kule the shop lela phansi samzohlala khona sidle, and then after that mina I go home now hambe because onhlala u1 akufana ukuthi ngidile silana ufike endlini fa ukuthi upheke, yabona. Uthi girl uthi hayi ngithi, uthi girl athi hayi ngithi hayi I'm fine, like I'm not hungry, but Peter no, I insist yimi ngisize uhlale la after hours beside, yabona, then sizokhona ukukhuluma ngale nto bengibizele yona. Hayi uthi vele baye lapho uthi mabafike vele ku-odiwe, hayi vele uPiti a-OTP. Hayi abona ukuthi musilento le ngiyala hayi like musinqa ukuthi isting meeting kanti manje iphi yena wona uthi uPiti a-OTP athi no order do you drink, but athi occasionally, but at okay a-order ugel cocktail uPiti athi cocktail. Hayi ugela mangalo ukuthi man then uyirahala, yabona. Hayi uthi vele baxoxe bakhuluma, azange bakhulume ngomsebenzi, uthi saxoxa kwabamnandi, saxoxa nje angitshela ngefamily yakhe ukuthi khule njani, things like that. Remember ukuthi uPiti akasiso, yabona. Uthi amxoxele ama vacation awahambile esingane, izinto azenzile, izinto azithandayo, izinto ezinjalo. Uthi ugel uthi athi shares bithe kuba sebusuku, it was around past 8 sekuba sebusuku and mina amateksi wami azophela, so ngicela ukuthi mina ngihamba. It was like no uhlala which side, kanti amtshela ukuthi no uhlala elokushini, athi if wone flat etown bengizokudropa, so elokushini mina ngiyakusaba, yabona. Okay athi ugel athi okay how about ukuthi ubarish, athi hayi uba isekudeni mawula angeke ngize ngithumele ukuthi ngigibele to another point la ngathola khona iUber, but uBiti athi no ema ngiphekezele to that point la ngakhona uthola khona iUber ikwise la endlini, yabona. Hayi vele ugela uthi hayi vele cause like there's nothing snacks ayishilwe ngathi ngizathi hayi ngibe uncomfortable, no hayi kwinto snacks ayikhulumile ngenza ukuthi ngibe uncomfortable. I was like okay hayi uthi ngene emotweni angibheke to lana close and ngi request ke sisemelelele Uber vele sihlale vele emotweni. Uthi hayi sicoce vele sicoce, athi you know what ngikhohle nokuthi ngikubizela ini yazi cause solo ngiyakhulumisa like ngiyakhulumisa na ubhizi yaphendula. Okay sizokhuluma kusasa for into bengibizele yona uthi sisi athi okay leso sikhathi vele Uber yakhe vele ifike sisi ahlike agibele ku-Uber aye endlini. Uthi makafika endlini uPiti amsendele message abhale ukuthi it was lovely spending time with you uPiti nge-WhatsApp. Usisi uthi Kate uthi ngimangala ukuthi hawu manje uPiti zikhiphana yabona. Uthi like because of akasiso I'm not thinking ukuthi angangishela or something like that, yabona. So uthi ngimangala ukuthi manje uPiti zikhiphana, uthi ngarespond because angawuthi ngiresponda kanjani kilo bona like ngithola ukuthi ngiresponda ngiba offside, yabona. Uthi abhale futhi uPiti after about 10-15 minutes but athi yazi bu 666 abunakhala kanete bu 666 abunakhala sorry guys, but abhale athi I would love to do this more often with you, egcineni at XOXOX yet ugel uthi ngibheke labo X egcineni nithi hayi, so ngitshela ukuthi lo ufuna ukuthi mina nayisibila or kanjani. Uthi ngingarespondi vele ngivele ngimblue-ticke ngithule, hayi vele ngilale vele kusasa ngiyabuya ngivule guys ngo-part 2. Usisi uthi the following day makafika emsebenzini vele afike ku-reception area, reception njalo ukuthi uPiti uthi ucela ukuthi ufike e-ofisini lakhe nabona guys. Uthi hayi vele ngihambe vele nge-ofisini but like I'm asking myself ukuthi manje sengithizeni or ngenze something wrong na, yabona, because remember ukuthi umuntu ama messages azange ugel a respond. uthi makafika ofisini bathi uPete athi come in, how are you? Ngathi vele akhuluma usisi uthi hayi ngiyaphila njani, bathi vele uPete athi how ngakhuluma nawe ngakuthumela ama messages yesterday wangarespond kanti what's the problem? Okay uthi mina ngamtshela ukuthi I didn't know ukuthi ngi-address kanjani because it was after hours and you're my boss, yabona. So I didn't know how to respond, but uPete that, you know what, like relax. I know ukuthi lesa sikhathi bengasisikhathi umsebenzi, so I was being friendly, so relax. At how about siripute into yesterday today, are you game? Okay uthi amtshela ukuthi again yathi are you game now? Okay athi angazi yazi mina I feel right for mina lento I don't know ukuthi we are friends or you are still my boss because I'm just an intern lana, so I don't want to ukuthi ngimosha ama chances wami ukuthi ngithole a permanent post, yabona. But uPete athi no man, relax, angithathi as an intern, ngithatha as a friend mangwisa kodi out. Hayi bathu sisivele avuma athi okay mosho kanjalo it's fine, bahambe ke basikhiphe after work, but balinde everyone futhi ahambe kusale bona boyithu babase office then bagibele ke bahambe. Uthi hayi we went to a different spot ke manje la ku fancy khona. Uthi masifika lapha yana uPete manje songipha ama vibes, ama romantic vibes, yabona. Uthi how hayi uPete vele uthi angitshela athi mina the first time ngubona like ungichazile vele angene straight endabeni uPete angasamoshi, yabona. Uthi the first time angibona vele like ngithandile, yazi unalebotho, ufriendly, wabona stuff like this, so mina ngiyakuthanda, bengathanda mina nawe like singaba an item. Okay, it was like yo ngiyophendula ngithini or ngala kanjani, abantu. Okay athi apha ama reason wakhe uthi mina angibona ukuthi ngakudata okwamanje sise-10 because kuzoba ngathi ngijole nawe ukuthi wena khona ukungipromote. I think rather be mina like ngibe ne permanent post ke lapho, and then that's when singakhuluma indaba zomjolo. But for me now ngisaqala kulento lokuthi ngiyasebenza, ngisafese fresh from university, bengacabanga ukuthi izinto eziso mina ngafika ngisenze ku first time la ngithola khona umsebenzi, yabona. uPete was like, you know what, ngizolungisa contract yakho Monday, so ne permanent post. Kapwanzi nina but ubereka sibono nina kubereka ini, kubereka sibono or ubereka face or ubereka personality ke ngebereka. Okay, like was like surprised or manje just like that. But was like ngizokhuluma nabo bazolungisa contract Monday mawufika uzosana contract yakhe enje usign. I would say enough about work, man. Asikhulume about me and you, not employee ne boss, yabona. Hayi bathi vele baxoxa kube mnandi, uthi kube mnandi man, like uPete khuluma ama trips wakhe outside South Africa, in thanda ini, angibuza ukuthi wena ungathanda ukuya kwe trip, like ungathanda girl next month be birthday yakhe. So girl uthi bengiwisha because next month birthday yami, but financial being as right ukuthi ngazikhipha maybe ngiphume nama girls wami siye somewhere la singajabula khona. Pete was like, no, you can't stress kiliteng Pete. Or what? Tell me what you want to do on your birthday. Now I will sponsor everything. Okay, was hi Pete. Pete was like, Bona, just tell me what you want. I will sponsor you. But Ukel was like, no, I want a meeting in Cape Town with my girls in abangana bayithuna, so ngajabula hamba nabo. I want okay, I status to Pete vele ahle vele athi angasho next yabona uthi hayi vele bahle hope umucoco baphuze kube mnandi. uPete am drop off kule spot, am drop off this last time athole iUber ngoyana ayokonto. Uthi mangifika endlini uPete was like, I meant what I said, I love you, I want you to be my girlfriend. uPete guys, in uPete ne akasimncane, ugirl mncane ngeke usale fresh kilo yongora. uPete ubathi una 45 years, so the girl una 22. So uthi ngiyabheka and picture ngisho laba banjalo abangafani nathi ukuthi mana 45 futhi 45 yakhe ayifani 45 yethu yabona. So uthi vele muslim umuntu lona mara mdala yabona. So ugel manje sobana lama vibes ukuthi mara ngamuthola ne mara ngathola kusamthola ngamthola. Uthi afonele ifriend yakhe athi friend enginesigaba isisoso emsebenzini, so what can I do or what should I do yabona. But ugel was like ngwanyana tlolo baiza man ke Gauteng mo qoma motho wena a o bona gore motho ke stepping ladder for gore wena o khona ho reach whatever the dreams journaling tsona bo phelong ba gago. That was the advice from ugel. Okay, hi bathi vele the following day it was Friday bahlangane Wednesday oqala ukuthi Friday baya Friday uthi Friday mangifika emsebenzini ku reception area ngithola a bouquet of roses and not bouquet nyana lezi ezigula zibona za Instagram uthi ngithola zona sibhale ukuthi love from secret admirer, love from secret admirer phela azange sisho next ecileni lapha ukuthi XOXO. Upiet ithi yazi uyashelela ngathi jeli. Okay uthi I felt so special and abantu base office they didn't know ukuthi ubani like bebasole bawisibala ukuthi kema urumese kema cause umumshamo ingiyabona. Uthi ngayenza so ngathi bala la ngidla khona. Uthi I was so happy, I don't wanna lie, I was so happy. First time yenzeka yimi ngihlala ngizibona ku TikTok, so nami ngiya experience akile impilo ya ku TikTok. Drop it. Ha uthi vele sisebenze isikhathi sokushayisa sifike angifonele athi don't go wait for me. Ngihlale ngimlinde. Mangimlinda okay athi so love, what are you saying? Am I your love or I'm still your friend? Neighbor, girl, because so bonele ya love ebhale lapha kulama roses. She was like, no, I think I can think about it, but I'm scared, but okay. One as lumaluma umuntu asabukusho ukuthi okay I stayed. Uthi ngazi lumaluma ngisazi lumaluma, so Upit was like Lamza shanga kiss ngatronkeka. After the kiss I was like you're my boyfriend. Money will kill us. Yeah, we are going part 3, guys. We told us once when I'm part ngawi part 1 ya page story. So guys, part 3 again. Okay, uthi you amahloni beyangihlaba awusijusi. Like all the generations jak familiar and I wanna motaglingarat na lo motho senguso. So I was the first one and I'm 22 years old and popelo baka busa Toma. And Thomas okay Toma ka boss. What's like being in a mahloni? Boss was like, Bona baby girl, you said what? I don't know, we can start dating. Get once, Nina. Boss was like excited. Mutin ba lamsa lo wethu ayibacabuzana vele base office I should remember cabuzana. So boss was like, you know what, give me your banking details fanele ngithumele imali ngokuspoil nje ubonakala ukuthi ujola neboss usithengile izimpahla, buy everything you need. And on that note ufune indawo, I cannot be ukuthi ngokudropa somewhere then usazogibela uye somewhere. Ngifuna ukuthi uhlale la ku comfortable khona la ngakhona ukuza at any time. So search for a new place. Upiet my man. But Upiet wherever ile wakhipha phone wathi 20,000 rand accounting kakele. Girl was like so happy. Bona Upiet was like, okay, today I just gonna hang out, I'm going somewhere, so I will call you tomorrow please. Izinto ngitshela ukuthi uzenze ngicela ukuthi uzenze. buy yourself nice things, prepare uzithengele izinto lezi ungamuva ngazo, cause la uhlala khona nje angifuni ukukwazi yabona. Hayi ugele uthi vele hayi angidrope espotini sethu ngiyobharishe ngihambe ngendlini, uthi I didn't believe it, bengivele ngizithi pitching myself kinya ku utor girl kuwena ubaba uthi ngifonele ifriend ngile friend yekusasa sigeze girl singene mall phela nginemali 20,000 rand in my account ngiphe umuntu wamloya umusha yabona. Hayi vele uthina no girl vele bagibele weekend ba shop to drop or shop. On that note still kisalebelela le black uthi vele ngithole enye i-flat vele flat sizijwayele zabantu abasaqalayo vele uthi hawu ngicela vele ngithathe vele ngisebe ama pictures kumele ukuthi angifonele phela sengisaba nokumfonela cause lo muntu lona mina ngamjwayelanga yabona. Uthi hayi vele angifonele the whole day, angifonele ngize ngilale angifonele nami ngisaba ukumfonela yabona. Ngimthumele iWhatsApp ngithi hi yabona, blue tick angarespond. The following day on Sunday morning, angfonele. At I was busy in the business and stuff like that. So I okay utenge everything or reashota na. Okay, was like I kiraiti kitseli di nepe ho bonza hore ngithole enye flat eso uthi athi ngithumele ngibona uthi ngimthumele umuntu athi that's not a flat, what's that? Check for something comfortable. Right ekhomisa ukuthi uthandana neboss. Yabona? Uthi ke labona ukuthi okay lo muntu lo muzofuna ukuthi ngisearch ama flat lawa durayo yabona. Uthi vele ngifune iflat vele the very same day Sunday ngiyithole flat. Angifika vele ngimthumele yona vele athi how many bedroom, ngitshela ukuthi 1 bedroom, athi no search for a 2 bedroom flat like ube comfortable man ngasolo uzobhidla khanya. Hawu uthi ngithi lo muntu lona uthi ngisearch uthi ngithola this flat enhle, very beautiful flat, imali yakhona i-rent. Uthi ngimthumele yona athi yeah that's my girl, that's what I wanted. So ngitshela ama details ngikhona ukudepositela khona ukumuva uye lapho. Ngiyantshela guys, umgeli was like surprised ukuthi guy wamthumela le mali kwa connectiwa, ugeli wathola indawo and then manje second step ifinish. Atambuza ukuthi unani le ungamuva ini ngayo lapha yani. Okay la mjela ukuthi mina like nginezinto ze one room in. So guy was like okay Monday sizoshayisa early mina nawe. Monday ngizofuna izinto sendlu yethu. Uyangibamba? Okay, I was like okay, boku Sunday. Okay, I was like okay sharp, no problem. Monday kulungiswa indaba zama flat, kusayiniwe ama lease contract stuff like that. After that, ugele ashayise ngo-12 no guy. Guy was like tshela receptionist ukuthi angeke ngibe khona, so ngicela ukuthi hamba nale intern ngikhomise izinto futhi azenze, so ukuthi abantu bangajamba ngisho. So but athi ngicela ukuthi ufonele intern ngimelelana phansi izizohamba nami and ngitshela ukuthi yenze masinga so le itatazela la yabona. Tshela le reception uthi vele reception ukuthi wena iboss wena yazi ikwatile iyakubisa gijima itsane bag yakho ngazi bathi ukhomisa something isane bag yakho yehlela phansi zamasingi. Girl was like inside my heart bengazi ukuthi vele siyakuphi. So I wanna because of fana ukuthi be professional nambele nga-act ngathi ngiyahuzuzela vele ngithi I say what's the matter, come with me. Uthi vele reception solo isibhekile vele ingithukele iparada ikilobona Anas uthi mina no Pete sihambe singene kuma expensive furniture shops uPete akhetha athi uyayithanda le mangathi ngiyayithatha uPete uyayibhadala. Uthi like sithenge everything asendlini in one day, everything. Ngicela ngitshela ukuthi umuva inini ugel uthi hayi bengicabanga weekend athi kusasa ngikuphide off umuve in mangishayisa ngizoza lapho ufuna umuntu ozokunceda a helper, I will pay that helper. Nayibona indaba. Okay uthi okay I vele simuve in vele ngifuna umunye vele mama umzimba wami vele ahamba ngichinele vele mina ngisho ngipaka izinto zami qedala na vele ngicasha itraka vele sithatha izinto zami ngihambe. Masifika vele ngimuve in hayi vele umuntu makashayisa vele eze endlini vele angithole vele ngizi as umuntu uphethe ama Ferrero Rocher ama chocolate ngiphathele champagne bouquet of flowers. Okay, I was like, welcome home. Nibathatha mara labantu nina. What like I felt so special. I don't know, like I feel like special. How important mo lefaseng kantlana. The way I felt little lang. What's very beautiful. I feel at you I know what to cut. Let me take you out so out with high vele ngwana vele change fast there is my roach out. I must figure la payana ugayi uphethe i-contract yami. Na kumele ngisho ukuthi sign contract manje uyiphethe i-contract. Uyemodela nje ukuthi ngine contract yakho ngicela ukuthi uyisayine. And then sasa ngizoyihenda mina ke ku HR. Yabona? Uthi girl athi okay no problem uzayidropa ma uhamba uzayishiya endlini. But was like no I'm not going. Ngizolala la. Wafa ukuthi ngihambe because lana kwami. Nina. But after the dinner they went to ifletini kaPiet. Remember ukuthi azange phela badla isiphathu sebusuku since kunoba siphithiphithi sa 1 2 3 1 2 3 masinya fast hayi vele wathi ubhithi makafike vele angene eshawari ngicela na hambe anjalo athi Kate kanti buzogeza nami yabona hayi bathi vele uKate naye vele odikhong delintwele kinomonyane phela dikhong motho omogolo akuna bukhulu shebe emjolweni. Hayi bathi umuntu hayi vele umshini waduma ngale koshawari bathi umshini waduma umuntu angenza izinto engingazazi ngale shawaring. I was like what? Peter yeah, now you can be my girlfriend after that thing elevator koshawari nina ayi it's okay ada umuntu vele alale vele endlini ekseni kube umuntu vele egeza endlini sophethe izimpahla phela ugayi ashintshe agcoke athi ngena emotweni sihambise emsebenzini yabona ukele uthi vele nami ngene emotweni semsebenzini masifike ekhoneni lasemsebenzini ugayi angihlise athi wena uzohlika la then uzakhetha iUber uzinge Uber then mina ngizongithola emsebenzini because I don't want abantu base officeini babela yabona uthi indaba vele ibe kanjalo uthi vele ngihle uthi everyday umuntu uvele spend the whole week everyday vele ungishe khoneni mina ngiyakuparisha then na ufike officeini I1 what it happened one stupid day yabuya ngo part 2 kanti part 1 lo so guys ngibile ngo part 4 kaPeterson okay nina guys nithi basho mina mangikhuluma like ngothando ngiyablusha ngenza guys angeke like ukhulume ngothando ungabi ku character like sonke ukikitsene like ikitsene mu character ngilobona like ngikwenza ukuthi na ufeel ngathi ngikhuluma ngawe like uyazi umoya wakho nje ushukume kancane ufile ngakeblela wena kanti keblela wena or keblela ka wena kanti keblela ka wena keblela ka story sa motho but I want to usifile ngiba ku character. Back to the story guys and sigcine kuphi as funny enough many stories I'm like guys I record ne maybe ngiya record story like kaninga ngizilalela if ever like I want to continue maybe ngihlala isikhathi eside so ngasilalela then I continue then ngizo continue ila ngizilalela khona yazi nama ngizibukela ngihleka yazi TikTok mara like TikTok wathi bophilongo ngiyibalalela istories zami ngihleke ngithi mara le ntombazana le stories za Kate no Peter simnandi shem I don't wanna lie semnat and bengifuna ukukhuluma esinye story inokuthi like ku late shem namuhla and tomorrow is church day yo late like ne story ngisreceive sasisi ngifuna ukusikhuluma namuhla but I don't think ukuthi ngizokhona back to the story okay uPiet no kanigcine kuphi I'm dropper off emarobotini ngisho then lo akhetha iUber ngisho nakhumbula ngisho okay but siba continue vele kanjalo vele ngoba I like into yabo every day okay until one day uPiet ne athi ku girl athi excuse me, athi ku girl athi don't you think it's high time that you buy yourself a car? Yabo? Cause indaba ukuthi ngizokhamba nawe ngishema khoneni ngathi like kwisigibeni ayingihlaleli kahle. So I think ukuthi fanele uqale ushop around for imoto ukuthi ube comfortable, drive yourself everywhere la ufuna khona, cause every time ufuna uya somewhere it's either your Uber or your car. So I need to be comfortable. Lempilo uzoyiphila impilo esiyiphila uyijwayela yabo. But uGirl was like, oh mina I cannot afford like a car cause I'm still busy, ngisaqala usebenza. Ngisho uGirl bampromotile nakhumbula ngisho so uyi permanent employee. Athi mina phela khani ngisaqala usebenza in ekhaya like you need my help in uGelabale. Athi no, when I said you need to buy yourself a car, I meant ukuthi go look for a car and then tell me ukuthi uthanda hippie, then mina I will pay for that car. Yabo? Luckily uGirl bekane license, bekakhona nyana ukudrive but angasisho yabo. So but uPiet was like, you know what, ngoba uthi wena khona driver but awusisho, angikufunele someone azokutrain yabo for maybe 2-3 days and then I will buy you an auto. Uthenge imoto automatic ukuthi khona uzidrive around yikho uhamba ngathi ngisigelekeqe. Hayi uGirl uthi hayi ngapha sengine flat nginomuntu ungasikhala yethu ngapha sofuna umthengela imoto. Hayi lento zengiliphahla kanti linjani kilo one. Hayi uGirl athi friend phela muguy or kilebele koloi. So I'm just so puzzled, I don't know which car to choose. One girl was like, yo, choose the most expensive ubone ukuthi uzoyithenga na. If athi yeah expensive, that's where unga drop down. Lo ngani lo. Hayi bathu girl vela ahambe kuma dealership abheke athanda imoto. Angeke ngikhuluma ibrand man. Yabona? Thanda isinye sibayibayi vele sangale Germany. Yabona? Hayi vele bathi amtshela ukuthi mina I love this car. Le ngiyayithanda yabona? Hatchback moto yakhona asi SUV athi ngiyayithanda. Hayi but vele uguy athi are you sure ngecolor and everything, which color do you want in but uGirl was like hayi yona le ngithanda yona le. Hayi buzanga ukuthi uPiet wayenzani. Same time Piet was like okay, we are paying for it. uGirl bamthengela imoto kanjalo ke. Girl wabasika nemoto manje akasahleki emarobotweni. Operation uPiet amthengela imoto. uPiet amtshela ukuthi you know what, whatever you need or whatever you need, whenever you need to help your family, tell me, I will assist you, because angeke uhlale nami ukuthi uyastruggleisha financially, but mina financially I'm well off. Yabo? Girl was like okay, how about you give me allowance here every month, because I can see with endlini thenga clothes ngithenga everything, you give me your card, but I'm not so sure with 70 money because you've never said 75,000 or 10,000 or malini. But uPiet was like okay, your allowance is over 20,000 per month on top of the salary I told her. Girl, on top of ukuthi bambhadalile flat, on top of ukuthi bamthengele igrocer. Nibathola mara nabantu labo. Hayi man phana abafazi amathip. Angeke phela, angeke abantu bahlupheka, abantu bangahlupheki abanye. Hayi bathi impilo ihambe guys. uGirl uthi hey, one stupid morning uGuy was like, you know what, I'm going away for a business trip, so angeke ngibe available for full 2 weeks. So bengicela kule 2 weeks, don't call me, I will call you. Ungangifoneli, ungangi-WhatsApp, mina ngizokufonela ngi-WhatsApp. But uGirl athi why? Athi no, don't ask me that. Angisho mina I'm providing you this lifestyle onayo manje. So mina just do as I say. Yabona? Hayi bathi vele uPiet vele abhaka uthi like sonke lesikhathi nginalo muntu besiya malavidavi, siya kuma restaurant, siya everywhere, kuma golf day, queen izinto lezi zisenza labantu laba so abantu othi besizenza zonke kuma opera, yonke into beyahamba nami, beyangangifihli, beyangibamba ngesandla and angikhombisa affection yazini like I was so in love. So nangumuntu soyashintsha bheqece, don't call me, I'll call you. Don't text, I will text. Hey, okay, uthi yo amangale ukuthi kanti what's going on? Okay, wathi ahlangana acabanga ukuthi you know what, let me not fight because mina umuntu ngiyamsebenza. Secondly, lokhu konke it's because of this guy. So angeke ngize ngilwe, ngizoba i-girlfriend right eyamukela yonke into. Hayi ugel uthayi vele umuntu vele ahambe the following day, ahambe vele angiflight yakhe azihambele ngiyomdrop airport. Hayi mina ngizele emsebenzini, umuntu ahlala ngifonela day 1, ahlala ngifonela day 2, ahlala ngifonela day 3, ahlala ngifonela day 4, iviki yonke no call no text. Uthi ngisibuza ukuthi mara lo muntu lo la khona uyaphila na, yabona? So ngibe nalama question ukuthi so umuntu uyaphila kanti umuntu maybe udala waye flight, yabona? Uthi ngibuze like EPA yakhe ukuthi how like unama documents that I need to submit for Mr. Peterson bit. So angimtholi like uyakufonela na maybe akubuze ngalama documents of ukuthi ngiwayenze na. The PA was like, I ngikhuluma nalo muntu every day izinto zomsebenzi right. What documents that you need to submit kupiti ngembuze ngawo. So the lady was like, you know what, Kate was like, you know what, azamela yena because behanga put two. Okay, uthi ngihlala ngithi wow lo muntu lo hayi ukuthi uhambelisa futhi vele ungishiye ngikhamisile la. Uthi ngicheck out obhini vele ngivula amawudo ngomfindlini impahla zakhe ezinye sisekhona eziningi sisekhona. Uthi ngisibuza ukuthi umuntu lo umuntu njani. Uvugela uthi ngithathe ifone ngitype ku Instagram ne. Ugel uthi mindu bengihlala nalo muntu lo because I'm a secret. Azange ngize ngimposte, azange ngenze anything to ukuthi ngisebenza naye uyiboss yami. So uthi ngithathe ifone ngithi Instagram ngimsearch ngingamtholi, ngithi Facebook ngimsearch ngingamtholi. Ngikhumbula umngane wakhe lo beyangintroduce kuye ukuthi kana ubani. Uthi ngithi umngane wakhe ngimuthi uthi mangithi ku Instagram kamngane wakhe buzana uPete ukuthi unobani ethombeni. Ngiyabuya sanibona guys. Ngibuyile ngopaka istory saka Peter sifuna ukuphela. uPeter said asifuna ukuphela guys. Ngibuyile ngopart 5 mara na guys before continuing story kune story saka ipostile usisi lo ovela eLimpopo guys okhuluma ukuthi she's thinking of ukukhipha umntwana ke unabantwana bethu ama teenagers ama-daughters wakhe ne, and then lo munye ukumatric lo na 18. So ucabanga ukuba khiphe cause lahlala khona akasakhona ukubhadala irent, abanakudla uthengise yonke finisher, and the said part ukuthi umntwana kufanele uthi matric dance akakhoni, like she cannot afford ukuthi umntwana akhe matric dance, and angafisa ukumdisappointa ngoba umntwana akhe we-rape survivor guys, bamrape bamkhome ngesibhamu ana 16 years 2 years ago. So ngacela lana kini ngathi sicela sibasize guys yazi I don't know like ngitshelani ukuthi which door angakhona ukunokha khona for help, and bakhona like abathize ngiba inbox and ngizon inboxa for ama details kasisi. Ngiyacela guys like I'm pleading asingayekeli siwumphakathi we-TikTok singayekeli umntwana bamkhiphe ku matric abile eLimpopo angana matric acalisa phansi ngapha she's a rape survivor ngapha. Okay uyabona mama ke ukuthi uyastruggleisha but uyazama. Mina into engifisa ukuthi lo mntwana lo angaba sesikolweni until azabhala matric yakhe abone ukuthi utswela pele jwang, yabona abehlisa bene matric ke angabi drop out or agcine sa give up ngempilo uthela ukuthi unayiso uba nengane and then akasafuna ubele esikolweni. Like I'm just pleading with you guys, ngiyacela abakhona ukunceda, if you can donate a dress or shoes, omunye ongakhona ukuthi a makeup ngelanga le matric dance, ungakhona ukuthi amenze inwele, like we can do a lot as a community. Ngiyacela guys, like iyangitoucha this thing because I always like say ukuthi asibafazi arithwarishaneng asupportaneng into like engikhuluma kaningi emphasize kaningi. So please ngiyacela like usisi uhlala eCaptain Park la hlala khona uhlala eCaptain Park and sane notice eviction like yazi kuningi nje. So I'm pleading with you ngiyacela as much as sikhuluma lana ngabo Piet nabo bani sicoca kube mnandi like I just wish ukuthi abakhonayo even if ungadonate le 50 rand le 20 rand kuthi kontinue sinkwa le 30 rand le 100 rand ngalikupa hle ngalikupa ngambekini ngiyacela yazi ngicela ukuthi shem nincede usisi ngiyacela. Okay, back to the story again. Part 5 ka Piet and Kate. Kate uthi yey awusijosi kiri mo phone kisa channel motho ke amosecha ake mo grey ke na hanu okay there is this friend ahlala nayo friend yakhe ahlala nayo but they are always together and is such a friend igama lakhe uthi nawe yamazi ufriend naye uso uthi ngithi uthi mangifika ku Instagram uthi mangifika ku Instagram kagaya ne uPiet uku holiday akekho ku business trip uPiet nabona la kule account laba basima khona nabo futhi nama yini king kudu lokhu man lokhu kuhamba slow kubiza ini kona lokho sekanini le country le la Thailand ngisho Thailand kona le if ngi wrong ngizakutshela uthi hey umuntu ame ngathuthu ke the couples uPiet ula ko holiday le friend bala ko holiday mina kume ngisele flatini house girlfriend ngisele flatini ngithi ndoda yami ye ku business trip kanti indoda ngithize ngathi ubu 666 abunakhala and abuna age othatha ngibelieve vele amahlo ami hayi uthi vele ngibona isithombe sona ngisho balapha like kuma nama tortoise bayenza ngawo baya suma lapha yana uthi vele ngiscroll abantu bayazikhipha kuma restaurant bakuma night club uyazi lo upostila ngisho thinking ukuthi ugel angeke azabone kanti wanyana bapostile kumnandi yasibapostene uthi musingibheke lo uPiet lo umuntu wakhe naye uso and the way kungakhona same age how uthi mangicheka futhi ethombe uPiet ura ucokiri ngicheke lo sisi ula ucokiri uthi hayi ngicela nokuyibona lemhlolo umuntu kuphile na isikhathi la zange ngizokufuna umfazi today ngizobona ithombe uthi ngizele ukuthi you know what wena Kate ngoyana zipha la udla khona umele ledi yakufonela because manje 7 days edlulile umuntu akangafonanga naye uKate uthi nama ngafonanga yabona uthi hayi vele idlule weekend kuthi Monday Tuesday umuntu akafoni ngithi fuck ngimfonela uthi ngimfonela ifone ithi palini uthi ngiyafona ifone ithi palini uthi ngiye ku receptionist emsebenzini ngiyibuze le receptionist ukuthi uPiet makakufonela usebenzisa iphi number because mina I'm trying to call uPiet angimtholi. The receptionist was like uPiet ungibuzile ngakuthi uyesemsebenzini usasebenza right na ngamtshela ukuthi ungibuze ngayi and ukhuluma ngama documents athi ngitshela ukuthi uzokufonela ungawari the PA man uthi ngibona ukuthi musilentule ngathi sikelemu lesi uthi ngihlale hayi ngihlale iviki elinye liphela ijita vele libuye angisho lazi ukuthi ijita ukuthi balibonile ku Instagram uthi umuntu abuye vele uthi makabuya ungiphathele ibag iguchi untsaretsi ebiteki tsaguchi ungiphathele like ama expensive gifts ungiphathele umuntu wami thina abafazi nathi uthi muste ngibona la ama gift yazi ngakhohlwa ukuthi umuntu bengimkwatela uthi ngakhohlwa Peter fika athi yo bengikhumbule kanjani as this business trip nje ingidrain ukungidraina in the lies yangishabaza ukuthi isikhohlisa athi ngidrainile in uthi girl mina bengibhizi leso sikhathi ama papa bag ngiyashuta ngijabulile ngiyafita izinto ziyangilingana uthi angibuzi next uthi hayi vele ufisa ukuthi salala vele hayi umuntu vele athi yena ukhathele in alale yabona uthi makalala vele nginyonyobe ngithatha ifoni ngikhulule ngithatha umuntu wakhe ngisho upit ngintshile ngathi umuntu omdala umuntu abadala ngisho bazimangala labalele yabona uthi ngithatha umuntu wakhe ngiwuthe efonini ifoni dikhahle ivule or awusjosi ngingene ngibheke uthi mina ubit umstory ngobaby number 1 ubit umstory ngobaby number 1 uthi ngicheck lo mlungu lo singithi umlungu nami yaphapha eneke ngisakhona cancel the girlfriend umstory ngowife number 1 yabona uthi ngicheck vele ama picture ngibona ukuthi ngisilomuntu lokudala vele bashadile umuntu wakudala bashadile ibile kunomntwana wabo bekashada abayimshadweni boy 2 leya weekend nakho kune weekend uPeter Nyamalala athi in bekayemshadweni nomntwana ke ahambe na the wife ucoyiwe ama matching outfits na the wife mina I didn't know uthi musi ngiyachecka umuntu ku WhatsApp mark la khona khona nomfazi wakhe ukuthi no ngithuthile endlini yami 1 2 3 4 5 ngihlala nomngani and nomngani lona you like udinga usizo lami in so ala ngihlala khona futhi akuna reception kahle kani ngibona ungangithole ebusuku amanga the lady uhlala Orkant overseas ubit ngapha one side chick baby number 1 usenze ngathi uyisingleton kanti so man guys ngile ngola siphatha ayisengikhathele istory sakapiti ayisengikhathaza yabona ugel uthi vele ngicheck ayivele qedala ngingambuzi because lo muntu lo at the end of the day iboss yami ngisithulele uthi hayi umuntu ekusethi vele avuke vele sibe right kube mnandi how siyemsebenzini vele mina ngizile emsebenzini ngemoto yami naye uthi like siphile like normally no questions no explanation nothing siziphilele nje yazi kube ngathi umuntu uhambe for one day angangixoxela ukuthi hayi ngikhathela angangicukela ukuthi ngeke uhode whatsoever uthi me being Kate nami ngisithulele vele ngingasho next how would it happen ukuthi one day sihlele vele ebusuku siqeda ukudla uthi vele the wife afone makafona vele nga-answer uthi phone thole iyakhala ngithi you know what answer phone yakho maybe like emergency yabona so ngicela ukuthi uyi-answer uthi vele I-answer my answer the wife was like you know what I'm in South Africa ngikhuluma sengiku airport ngicela ukuthi ngisendele location la kumngani wakho so I'm coming to you the wife utshela uPiet remember ngatshela ngalentombazana lokuthi mina nginomfazi in nothing so uPiet was like you know what akungalafanga ukuthi ngiyakhona and ngiyolala khona ngizokubona ekseni uKate was like manje uyakuphi like ngitshela what uthi athi ngithi ngala ngiyakhona ngiyolala khona ngizobuya kusasa ekseni I'll explain tomorrow to you ukuthi what's going on so please ngiyabuya but uPeter khulume so aphuma ahambe aye with the wife wakhe loyo yabona uthi vele emsebenzini efone vele bit angizi hawu vele ugel uthi I don't know ukuthi ngimfone or ngingamfone uthi in my heart ngithi you know what I'm calling this person I just want to find out what's going on because ngakhona ubona ukuthi la ngathi uyangibhayisisa uthi ngimfonela uma ngimfonela the wife answer the phone remember ukuthi efoneni bam story ngubani ngubaby 1 the wife answer the phone at baby 1 hello yabona ugel uthi ngizwe answer emfast ngingakhulumi ni drop ifone yabona ngicela ukudropa the wife athathe the number phone efonini kaPete afonile ugela u receive a call from number A ugela uthi hello lo ambuza ukuthi ngikhuluma nobani athi mina ngikhuluma nobani so it was like umfazi kaPete ngicela ukumfonela manje and story ngobaby ubani igama lakho yabona ugel uthi ngithi ngicabanga ukuphendula ne in my heart ngithi bazongixosha emsebenzini angeke ngiphendule uthi ngidrop ifone ngiblock le number yabona uthawu within like minutes umuntu uqiyethi so sendlini fikile red ngathi ushiswe ilanga red yeah what did you say to my wife umuntu kwatile uyathethisa okay, I was like, you know what, mina I've never said anything to your wife. The only ngifonile why answer call wangibuza uthi ngubani ngai drop yena waphina ngifona ngenamba yakhe wangibuza uthi ngubani because ngistory ngobaby one mina I didn't say anything avele nga drop ifone yeah now she thinks ukuthi mina I'm cheating in okay uthi ngiyazi ngilalela umuntu abusy arasa yenze yazi ngilala ngiyazi ukuthi kanti macaba ukuthi I'm cheating. So mina faka ukuthi ngiphendule ngithina yabona uthi vele ngilalele vele umuntu vele athetha yeah uzongidestroy impilo lo muntu lo like she was there ngisaqala everything nginganamali in so mina now I'm not sure ukuthi uthizeni kwe now manje ukwatela ufuna ukuza la ufuna uzokubona in Girl was like yet if ungasanga phone ngicela ukuthi ungitshele ungirelease and if uyangixosha emsebenzini say so ukuthi uyangixosha because now uyangithethisa for into ongayazi It was like who said break up now because ngifuna ukuthethisa like I'm venting yabona uthi like tell me ukuthi ke ngenze njani because mina azange ngenze into wrong yabona umfazi wakho uyongifonelile It was like you know what I'm going to come with my wife and apologize kumfazi wami umtshela ukuthi mina nawe besithi siyaqala ukudatana kwahluleka azange size sidatane so like you need to come clean kumfazi wami It was like, Pete, what are you saying? I think you need to come clean ukuthi mina nawe asithandani sensiye emining guy one cause nambe ngithemthekile kuphela and don't say anything other than ukuthi usebenza company yami ungakhuluma athi don't say anything if you dare say anything was from tomorrow kusena unamsebenzi so bathi vele the wife esevelele everything again abuza ugela ukuthi wena who gave you the authority to phone indoda yami Girl was like no mina lo muntu lona mina kahle Kate mina kahle lo muntu lona mina nayisahuka up dale tlapini wathi uzongipha imali so bengicela ukuthi angiphe imali I didn't think ukuthi unawo so mina I apologize ugele bathi lo mama lo vela thethisa upiyeta amthethise phambi kokele athethise nokele uthi ngazi ibhala ngidla khona sangize ngiphendule kodwa la vele basho soba phakama bahamba boyithu nangasala ngikhamisile hayi uthi vela amalanga aye upiti vela ngasemsebenzini vele angamboni mina officeini hayi mina vele ngicontinue ngisemezela ba one day umfazi kaPiti vele esemsebenzini yabona mageze emsebenzini mina ngise reception area mangithi clubs ngiyambona lo mama ngabaleka vele ngasifika bengafuni ukuthi ngibonakale yabona so uthi uPiet vele angfonela athi umfazi wami uza lapho ngicela ukuthi make yourself invisible angifuni ukuthi aza kubone yangizwa uzifihle or usifihle toilet or wenzani angifuni aza kubona azazi negama lakho ukuthi ngubani make it a point ukuthi akuthola if uyakuthola just nokuthi mina nawe from today so ama enemies ugel uthi ngazifihla ngahamba ngahlala ebathroom kaze abantu bashayisa ngisifihlele ukuthi umfazi kaPete angangiboni so ugel uthi kimi uthi you know what I was choosing this guy kamarad undrolore kamarad so now I'm seeing ukuthi ufuna ukuba abusive towards mina for ukuthi enokhuluma manga kumfazi wakhe because now kuba ngathi mina I'm following uPete wala uPete uyothize yenza so uyenze so azangithengile nemoto yabona so uthi uPete afike after lo mama hamba uPete afike flatini afike kube umuntu ukuthi uya apologize ungipha izimali uthi ngimbuza ukuthi you know what Pete tell me ukuthi ngiside chick wangabe ungitshelile from day one ukuthi you know what uzoba iside chick yami and it's up to you ukuthi you want to get in or out uthi wangabe ungitshelile from day one ngazi ukuthi there is someone else ozohamba naye kuma vacation ongahlala eSouth Africa nokuthi ungenzi slim hamba introduce ebantwini mina ngithinking ukuthi one day ngizoba your wife kanti I'm just a simple side chick. Listen to respond kaPete. Pete was like, I'm giving you a roof over your head, unemoto nomsebenzi udla kahle une-allowance. What more do you want? Ubatla eng, kofe eng. Cause no service, I do service you. So what more do you want? Are you crying for a title? Kuzo zonke lezi zinto engizibalayo na ngitshela ukuthi ufuna ini. So again ungibhalele so I'm in the same ship cause now I'm a side chick and bit ksetshampuditse boko gore ke kgetha eng. So now ama feelings wami senginama mixed feelings ukuthi the bubble I thought ukuthi eyami no bit kanti si 3 kule bubble. So now sengiphumile kule bubble ngingaphandle bangifaka whenever I'm needed. So what should I do? Should I continue chowing the money ngiphila as luxurious life or ngizifunela umuntu cause nami I want to have my own man. Hayi ukuthi ngibe side dish nje. So guys, phela kanjalo story. Let's asina the snakes in the kill shade. I stand a 6 gun. That's just no 666. So mina, my advice to the lady, my advice to the lady is that ibale 999 wanyana. Ibale 999 ube mo, don't get pregnant. Uzijolele nomuntu wakho if ufuna ukujola nomuntu wakho. Or phuma kupiti uzifunela umsebenzi. Uqalise phansi impilo yakho umove out angakuthi imoto ibhalise ngawo or ngopiti but start afresh uphume ku married man. Izindlela zethu is up to you to ukhetha yifi.